Hey everyone, I hope you're well. Sony, now we all know who they are, and we also know that they're always looking at the weird and wonderful. One of the most sort of weirdest and probably somewhat wonderful things that they're looking at doing, and admittedly they've only filed a patent on this, and that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to be producing anything, is they're looking or are developing a robot that's like a buddy that sits with you when you're playing with your PlayStation. And that buddy will then react like a friend would react when you're playing a game. And it's there to be some kind of friend, some kind of companion to when you're playing alone and you're not with friends. Now, as I've stressed, this is just a patent. And very likely, and possibly, hopefully, we may never see it. But it's unusual. Once again, it's one of those things that tech companies like Samsung, although they have done their own little robot thing, haven't they? That little ball, if you remember. And we see it a lot with a lot of tech companies, just throwing ideas out there, putting a patent out there so they can sort of copyright it in a way and protect their ideas. In the hope that maybe somewhere down the line they'll actually end up making some such thing. Let me know your thoughts. The actual patent, the description of it that they've created, it just looks like either a big cloud or a popcorn or whatever. You know, they've really thought about this one. You know, it's like someone in the back office somewhere had 2 minutes spare and he drew this. Let me know your thoughts. Would it be something that you would want sitting with you, reacting to your gameplay and you as you're playing? In this day and age with us, there's a lot of lonely people out there sitting alone in their flats and houses because of what's going on in the world. Possibly a good thing. Let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up. It's always very helpful to the video itself and of course to the channel if you subscribe, and if you do, don't forget to click the bell. And I'll see you next time. More videos this week, and of course on Wednesday there'll be the next gen update too. So I'll catch you then. Take care.